Hi there, I'm Poetess Mbali Shabangu, and that's time of the week, whereby we get our scripture reading in English and Zulu. Drum roll! Yebo! So today we are going to get our scripture reading from the book of Psalms 127, verse number 1 until the last verse of verse number 5. It says, a song of ascents of Solomon. Unless the Lord builds the house, its builders labor in vain. Unless the Lord watches over the city, the watchmen stand guard in vain. Igama lokukhuphuka elikaSolomoni. Uma uJehova engayakhi indlu, basebenzela ize abayakhayo. Uma uJehova engayilondolozi umuzi, umlindi wawo ulindela ize. Verse 2. In vain you rise early and stay up late, toiling for food to eat, for he grants sleep to those he loves. Kuyize kini ukuba nivuke ekuseni, niphuze ukuphumula, nidle isinkwa sezinhlupheko, ngokuba uyamupha othandiweyo wakhe esalele. Verse 3. Sons are a heritage from the Lord, children a reward from him. Bheka, abantwana bayifa elivela kuJehova, isithelo sesisu singumvuzo. Verse 4. Like arrows in the hands of a warrior are sons born in one's youth. Njengemcibisholo esandleni seqhawe, banjalo abantwana bobusha. Verse 5. Blessed is the man whose quiver is full of them. They will not be put to shame when they contend with their enemies in the gates. Ibusisiwe indoda emgodla wayo ugcwele bona, abayikujabha lapho bekhuluma nezitha zabo esangweni. Thank you. Be blessed. Poetess Mbali Shabangu signing out.